I do not own this content and my videos are not fucking made for kids.
So where do you think our friends are?
If I had to guess, I'd say in a Bergen's stomach.
Could you try to be positive? Just once. You might like it.
Okay, I'm sure they're not only alive, but about to be delivered to us on a silver platter.
Thank you. That wasn't so hard, was it? Branch!
Hug time? Serious?
Listen.
This is gonna be the best Trollstice ever! Such a great idea I had.
Yes. Tomorrow is Trollstice, everyone, and it must be perfect. Yes. Feels great to be ordering everyone around again.
Branch, look!
They're alive?
And on a silver platter, too. We were both right.
And to mark the occasion, Your Highness, look, I found your old troll bib.
Oh, wow. I bet you still fit.
Like a glove.
Oh, you think that's funny? Well, we'll see who's laughing when I bite your yummy head off. When I bite all your yummy heads off. Wait a minute. Chef, this isn't enough yummy heads to feed all of Bergentown?
Everything will be fine. If I were truly worried, would I be willing to do this?
Creek!
Oh, my first troll.
Go on, eat King Gristle. Enjoy a taste of true happiness.
Oh my god.
Agent, lock these trolls in your room and guard them with your life.
Yes, Chef.
Poppy!